Okay, so what are you doing?
In the sailboat, I've got a piece of wood missing which goes on top of the toilet. It looks like that. Okay, it's a funny shape because it locks into place as well. Okay, Then I've got this piece, and then this piece goes in front. This piece goes in front, right, to stop the toilet from moving, but it also, it's all, anyway. But I was going to cut it out of a piece of cardboard first. Why do cats, they do this, don't they, all the time? It's just like, you just...
It's not cardboard, it's catboard.
Catboard? Right, so I need to measure it. So the maximum distance across, at what the widest point is 25 inches. 25.5 inches.
It's like a cat tail, is it?
Oh, come on, cat.
I'll grab him.
Go, 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 go. I need to get up there. That's it, 25. He doesn't care, does he? 25.5. Okay, so this is going to be a taper, 23.5. Then at the top, so I've got to work this out, you see. So at the top here, I've got a piece which has got a bow in it. What do you reckon? Wait, what do you reckon? And it's 4.5 inches to the bend. It's tricky, isn't it? If I measure 4.5 inches there to there, and then draw a line across, whatever's left over. Yeah, that's a good idea.
There you go. I wasn't expecting that. Bit of a perfect fit. So I'm even surprised myself. I'll do the next bit, but you don't need to. That's quite straightforward. So I've got to get a cushion to fit this, cover it in the same sort of stuff, or I might even change the cover. But they're all right. So going to tidy up yet, then we're going to paint, put the lights on. So I'll keep you updated as we go along. Back in the boat. Why all those are stacked up there, I don't know. I've got to get them all out anyway. But the reason today's video will be, if I can show you. So I've been trying to get the water out of this. I don't know how it's, well, I presume it's got in there. I presume that if you look down here, I think water can get down there, but I'm not too sure where that goes. I'm going to have to find, I think it does go underneath. Oh, it looks like it stops there. That's polystyrene. Let me have a quick look. 2 secs. Okay, I just checked that one. Look at this. It's all sealed. So I don't know how this water's got in, to be honest with you, but what someone's done, you can see, this is like fiberglass, and underneath you've got some ply, and then it's split. So I'm going to try and put so I bought a new hatch, another one. I'm not too sure I'm going to fit this. I think I'm going to do it like that. Fit it in properly, and then I can get a bilge pump in there and get this water out. I don't know if that's the best way, I don't know, to be honest with you. I'll have a think, and then I'll show you when I'm fitting it and what I find when I cut it all out. I'll show you I'm marking it and everything. Clever thing about this one. Turn it, push it, and the lid comes off separate. So then I think like that, if I come that, well, yeah, that should do it. If I do it like that, rather than, see, I can incorporate the hole, and I can get that all in then. If I go about there. Okay, I'll mark that as best I can on the outside. See, it's a bit, even the floor's a bit, it's solid, but why the hell did they cut a hole in there? Okay, there you go. Grab the jigsaw, I can't do any more damage than what's already there, and at the end of the day, I can always refiberglass it. So and I own the boat. But I can't see. I've got to get into it to get that water out anyway, and I'm, you know, even if I have to use a sponge, but I have got a bilge pump. So if I can get it in a bit further, say here, where the centre of the boat dips, I should be able to get the water out. Okay, I'm coming backwards now. I can't see things. Okay, I'll carry on because it's going to drive you mad. Right, a little bit left to do, but it looks like we've had a bit of a... Could be a crack here, but it looks like it might have been repaired. So I'm going to try and get this water out, and then I'll have to use a sponge. But quite a bit of water in there. Don't know how. Looks like I've cut through a bit of the hull here. Well, not the hull, but it's a bit mushy anyway, so I might have to have a look at this. Look, see? It's a bit... No problem. This is what we're here for. Okay, a little bit crude, but I have to grind it and shaped it. There's not a hole. This is just where the fiberglass was sealed. They could have done a repair through that little tiny hole. That would have been ridiculous. So I'm going to put the hatch on, but I'm going to leave the... Yeah, I'll put the hatch on, but at least I can get to it now to check on it. But I've took all the water out, and it must have been there for some time because it stinks. But no damage that I can see. I'll need to have a look underneath. And I've tilted the boat now forward and back, so there's no more water in there. This is my third scoop full of them, and that's about it. So hopefully that's it, and I'll keep an eye on it and let it dry out. And then we've got some rain coming, so we'll see if it's coming in. I've got a funny feeling it's coming in. You can see the wet marks down the side there. I'm going to keep an eye on them, and then I'll seal them. So I'll seal this hatch and get it screwed down in a sec. That'll be the end of this one. At least I got somewhere there to keep an eye on it. Okay, so it's going to fit. I'll put some bonding on it now, and then I've got to put the lid on first because the lid flips underneath these two hinges and hooks on. No, not focusing. Oh, there we go. Stainless steel screws. Let's just make sure it opens. Oh, beautiful. Okay. There isn't much to grip to along this side, but it's gripping it, that's the main thing. If I can get in there. Oh, I'll have to shorten that 2 seconds. So I took the bit extension off. That's alright. That should be. Come on. That's him. Bit awkward down there, isn't it? But I don't know why the hole was cut out, so I've got to investigate that and find out why. There isn't much I can do about it, to be honest with you. I want to keep an eye on it, so... Alright. I'll put another one in and then I'll call it quits, and there we go. I'll finish that off. Show you what's inside. There's my hatch. So hopefully no one breaks our leg now with a big hole in the hull, but I can keep an eye on that, and if it does get, I can put my pump in, drain it all out. That's the idea anyway. Fits beautiful, £21. That was funny because I was watching one of these on eBay, and where I bought this one from, of course, and there was one on there, and it was £2.90 it started off with, and so they put a bid on it, and it went up to 20 quid, and I was like, brand new, guaranteed. It's only 21, so I'll put a link in the description down below where I got it. If you enjoyed the vid, give it a thumbs up, that would be really appreciated. Subscribe this side there. Up and coming videos over there, or previous videos, maybe one about the boat is over there. Take care. Thank you very much if you did watch the video and you're still with me, and I'll catch you in the next one. All the best. Take care.